Hi there, it's Jim Manley. I'm going online now for finally. I've been working away, but as you can see in my background, I've got I'm building a new studio, and that studio is going to be busy. So you'll be seeing me every so often coming up. What I want to do is I want to introduce you to a book that I did a review on. I read this book. It's a fantastic book. It was written by Ali Chowdhry, and it's called Frontline to Online. It pretty much shows you how he has an incredible life story. He was a police officer in London and rose to the highest ranks, got awarded the highest awards, and at one point he just up and quit. He quit the job to go on to try to find his way in the world and find his fortune, that sort of thing. Find himself, no doubt. But this is the book. It's Frontline to Online. I don't know if you can see it, if it's reversed. We'll find out when we go back to this. But there are many things he talks about here, like how to transition from the offline career to the online success, how to stop feeling sorry for yourself. It's kind of an important point, but primarily how to get your mindset into a profitable, knowing action. You have to become an expert to some degree in your work. Now, you already are an expert offline. The key is, and what Ali has taught me in this book, or shows me in very, very useful detail. I call them life milestones, I guess is the long way. But he shows you basically how to move your life from offline to online. And he has an incredible background and experience since he's actually gone about this. He's written a couple of books that have sold very well, and he's launched a number of products online with great success. If you measure success by money, I guess that would be one thing. But if you measure it by finding yourself, and Ali kind of found himself, it seems, in this industry by really struggling, working 24 hours a day. I mean, he's an amazing person that just works and works and gets things done. He's a very reliable speaker, and if you have a problem and it's in his realm, he will help you get through it if you ask him, I guess, or you read his book, one or the other. You can also look forward to what's coming up soon is a launch of this book into a workshop, so that it can really be shared and broken down and optimized for every individual involved in it, so that if you are successful in your industry, but you know that you have to get online one way or the other, this could very well be the path that you could follow to get there. So I'm going to say, from my very messy studio, and you notice that I've been panning a lot to look at what this is. The next time you see me, I hope it will be in much, much better shape, or you'll see the progression of that shape. And I really look forward to working with you and with many people that know me from other realms, and that's mostly in theater and in photography and in film, from different parts of the country and parts of the world too, parts of Europe and Asia, but I'm in New York in the United States, of course. All right, I look forward to speaking with you. You can put a note down in the area below, a comment if you like. And I apologize for my presentation in that it's not refined and finished. I hope I never get refined and finished, actually, but I do hope to make it better and be very informative to you, especially My focus is training somebody to get their successful offline career online. And I tell you, Ali is the one. So we'll see you in the future. All right? Take care. Bye bye.